Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a view-only document in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have my view only file or view only document in my Google Sheets application. I got this file from my friend, and since this document is in view only mode, so I can't edit this document. But don't worry guys, because I want to show you how we can edit the view only document. If we want to edit the view only document, we have to copy this document to our Google Drive. We can click on these three dots on the top right, and we can go to the share and export right here. Then click on make a copy. Then before you make a copy of this document in your Google Drive, you can change the document title right here. And I'm just going to skip this step. Then we can click on OK. Okay, I know the document is being copied, and okay, now it's done. Then as you can see guys, that we can edit this document, I mean this view only document, because we have copied this document to our Google Drive. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit view only file or view only document in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.